Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get these colorful tropical nails. So this design is really special because it's in support of the Animal Love Rescue in Costa Rica. I recently learned of them and their situation, so I wanted to help out as much as I could. They're an amazing nonprofit no-kill animal rescue that takes care of about 1,200 animals, including dogs, cats, sheep, goats, horses, ducks, geese, and everything in between. Most of them come to their center after being mistreated, injured, or abandoned, and they were fully funded by their Lands in Love Hotel, but as you can imagine, COVID really affected them. So if you'd like to help out and support them, please consider donating, and if you can't donate, that's no problem at all. There's no pressure to do so. You can still be a huge help just by spreading the word about their rescue, which would be awesome. I'll be sure to leave a link below to their website and Instagram so you can check them out and see all the amazing work they do. Alright, let's get into the nail art. So first, I'm going to apply a base coat. Then I'm going to use a dark green polish for the base color. You can also use black or dark blue if you don't have a dark green. Now I'm going to take a lighter green polish and thin brush to draw a thin line coming from one side of the nail. Then I'll be adding in the leaves. Initially, I was going for a palm leaf, but I think this sort of turned out more like a fern, which actually works really well too. Now I'm going to take a more teal green polish and add a couple leaves with that. I like having the different tones of green. I think it gives it a little dimension. Then I'll be finishing the rest of the leaves with a lighter green. Now I'm going to go over the colors one more time to make them brighter. Using a light orange shade, I'll be drawing the flower petals, then filling them in. I decided to fill in the flower a little more, then use the dark green to change the shape slightly. Next, I'm going to add a partial flower with a bright pink shade. Now I'm going to use a deeper orange polish to fill in the orange flower, but not fully, so that you leave a border of the lighter color. And I'll be repeating the same steps with a darker pink polish on the pink flower. With a yellow shade, I'm adding small dots at the center of each flower. I'll be doing the design across my other nails, but with slightly different placement, so there's a nice variation. Finally, apply a top coat for a nice glossy finish, or matte. I think this would actually look good in matte too. So that does it for these tropical nails. I hope you enjoyed this design, and thanks so much for watching!